10 most expensive Ferraris in the world. It has been 83 years since Ferrari built its very first car out of a workshop in Italy. From those fairly humble beginnings, it has grown into one of the world's most recognizable luxury brands, with its rearing black stallion acting as an emblem for quality and sophistication, not to mention a considerable price tag. We take a look at the top 10 most expensive Ferraris ever produced, representing the very best of the best. 6. 2011 Ferrari 599 Sa Aperta. $1,600,000. This extremely limited edition model was produced to mark the 80th anniversary of Pininfarina and, fittingly, only 80 models were manufactured. It has a robust V12 engine that puts it in the same league as the best racing Ferraris, and features a gorgeous curved design complete with a removable top. All of the models were sold before the car even went public. Five. 1991 Ferrari F40. $1,873,466. The F40 was designed to mark Ferrari's 40th anniversary and holds the distinction of being the final model that got the personal nod of approval from Enzo Ferrari himself, making it something truly special. This is the successor to the iconic GTO and is now considered to be one of the greatest sports cars ever produced. Four. 1984 Ferrari 288 GTO. $2,265,419. This is one of the true classics, and it's no surprise that it's so high up on the list. It is widely believed that the car was designed specifically to compete in the Group B circuit introduced in 1982, but it was in fact a product of falling road car sales. Enzo Ferrari was looking for a way to reinvigorate the brand, which led to this turbocharged model, a homologation of the Ferrari 308 GTB sports car. Please like and subscribe.